How to fix Discord no root RTC connecting. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can fix Discord no root RTC connecting. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first steps first, open up your Discord. After you're on your Discord, you'll need to head over to its settings. So search for the user settings right here. Tap on it. Now on your settings, what you'll need to do is simply head over to your voice settings. So go to voice and video, make sure all of these are correct. Then if everything is correct but it's still not working, you'll need to scroll down and there you should find reset to default setting. If you don't find it, you can just go ahead and search it in the other tabs right here. Go to debugging, there you can see reset voice and video settings, tap on that and tap on OK. After you've done that, check if it works or not. If it still does not work, simply head over to your task manager. So search for task manager and open that up. Now right here you should find Discord running, head over to details and under details you'll find Discord's option that you should find. So here you'll need to delete Discord. So by delete I mean end its task. So right here, click on it and tap on end process tree. Tap on end process tree and after you've done that, your Discord will restart. Then you can try to see if the problem is fixed or not, and it should be fixed. And the process is really simple and the fix is really easy. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. I hope this video helped you. If it did, leave a like down below and stay tuned for more. Bye bye and take care.